If you're wondering how to change your Snapchat notification sound, let me guide you through the process. Open Snapchat on your device. The settings may vary slightly between iPhone and Android, but the process is generally the same. Once you're in Snapchat, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option within your profile settings. It might appear as a gear icon or be labeled as settings. Within the settings menu, locate the section for notifications. Unfortunately, you want to find a specific option to change notification sounds directly within Snapchat settings. To change the notification sounds, you'll need to access individual chats or conversations. Open a chat with a friend or group where you want to change the notification sounds. Once you're in the chat, look for the chat settings or options menu. This might be represented by 3 dots or another symbol depending on your device. Within the chat settings, there shall be an option to manage notification. Tap on it to access notification settings for the specific chat. Among the notification settings, you should find an option to change the notification sound. Tap on it to select a different sound from the available options. Explore the different sounds and choose the one you prefer for that particular chat. Remember, you'll need to repeat this process for each chat if you want to customize notification sounds for different conversations. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't provide the option to upload custom notification sounds. You can only choose from the default sounds available within the app. I hope this guide helps you change your Snapchat notification sounds effectively. If you find this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for my content. Goodbye for now.